In this video, I will be sharing this set of Valentine's nails, as well as how to do isolated chrome properly, and also a cat eye hack. So if you're interested in seeing all of that, then just keep watching. So before we get into doing that set of nails, I'm just going to show you the nail art haul from Daily Charme. It's a PR haul, and I picked these items. I based it around Valentine's Day nails. That's why that was a Valentine's set. They have so many nail art items, polishes and glitters and stickers for Valentine's Day. So definitely check out their site. I'll have the links for what I show you down in the description of the video, and I do have a 10% off code, which is unlimited, meaning if you buy something this time, you can use it. If you buy something next time, you can use my 10% off code. So that'll all be down there. So let's get into what's in here. It's a thank you card, and it shows you their social media handles. I think we'll look at the polishes first and what else I have in here, and then we'll get into the art items in those little containers. So if you didn't know, Daily Charme has come out with a clear anti-chrome matte gel. So when you're doing isolated chrome, this is your gel you're going to want to have because the chrome is not going to stick to it. You'll see me using it in this video. So it says anti-chrome. So of course it's just a clear matte top coat, but works really well. So if you're struggling with isolated chrome, then this one is definitely going to be for you. This is not a new product from Daily Charme, a new release, this polish, but I will show you it and show you why it's a must-have. So Daily Charme has jelly polishes, so they're like sheer polishes, and this one happens to be a milk bath, so JO2, and I've had this one already. I've shared it with you. I use it a lot. It's my favorite sheer white polishes I've ever used, so I wanted to get another one and use it for this set. I'm almost out. I'll just swatch it quick for you. I'm going to move my box aside here. It just stays so nice. It doesn't yellow in any way. It's just the perfect milk bath color. Of course, you can add more in the middle and then float it over the nail. You're going to get really nice coverage then. So there it is. It's really a pretty milky white. So one more polish I picked to do this set, and this is a newer release. This one is E65 Unforgettable, and it's a silk cat eye gel polish. I won't swatch it. You'll see it on my client, but I'll quickly swatch it. I have time here. It's a beautiful pink, right? So I'll just grab a magnet and we'll move those particles. So you can see I have a few streaks. So I'll show you a hack too. If you haven't seen it before, you just pull the magnet underneath and you can see it got rid of those streaks. And now I can play with the particles and move them around. It's very pretty. So there it is. It's a really nice, pretty pink. I love pink, as you know. Now I'll get into what I have in these jars. So I have a lot of Daily Charme chromes. They're the best chromes I've ever used. And this one I did not have, and it's called Candy Pink Chrome. So let's take a look. There's always a seal, so I'll take that off. How beautiful is that? I can't wait to use that on my client. So I wanted some Valentine's type of glitter, and let's see what these look like. So I'm just going to open this seal on it. So I don't know if you can see all the shapes. I'm going to put a little bit in my hand so you can see better. See what we've got. That's pretty. So we've got some hearts there. You can see like more of white, and they have little pink ones, some stars, some glitter in general. And these are like the little leaf petals too. Those are cute. So you could make a flower with them. I put the picture up on the screen from the Daily Charme website, what they did with these. But you could do so many different things. So I had a client in not long ago, and she wanted tiny little stars on her nails, and I didn't have any, so I had to get these. Open it up here. So there's a lot of different colors of stars, as you can see, and I'll show you on the lid. So those will be perfect. If anybody asks me for them, now I will have little stars, and they're so tiny. So now we'll get into doing my client's nails. So my client came in for her 3-week fill, a hard gel fill. So I did all of that. Now we're, of course, ready for the polish. And I'm using Unforgettable from this haul. It's such a beautiful cat's eye polish. So I did do 2 coats. I only show you doing one because I felt like one coat was perfect coverage when I even moved the magnetic particles around. So I'm just doing that now, and you'll see me when I use this cat eye polish doing the hack where I go under the nail first to remove any streaks, and then I use the magnet on the sides of the nail, and then I get her to cure her nail because I don't want those magnetic particles to move around from where I place them. So this is the second nail I'll be doing with the Unforgettable cat eye polish. And again, same thing, and I'll only show you one coat because as you can see, it's like pretty amazing coverage with that one coat. You do not need 2 coats. I think I just went over it just to make sure the sides or the edges I fully had polished, but it was really good coverage with just that one. Again, moving the particles around at first, getting rid of any streaks, and then I like to keep it kind of to one side more in the end. You'll see me trying to draw a line kind of on the side, and then I'll get her to cure that one as well. So the thumb is the last nail I'll use this polish on, and we're going to do something different art-wise on this one. So as soon as I get the nail fully covered, I'll grab my magnet and I'll show you what we're going to do different. So grabbing the magnet, I am moving the particles around. I want to make sure this time I get them all fully in the middle of the nail, so I'm really working to get it there. And then I'm grabbing the heart magnet, and we're going to do a cute Valentine's heart with a magnet on this one. And I did do a short on YouTube explaining exactly what magnets to use, how to hold the magnets, everything like that. So if you want to find that and see how to properly do it, you can look in my shorts on YouTube and you'll find that short that actually explains it in detail. So now using Milk Bath from this haul, and I'm just going to show you this one nail. I'll do 2 coats on it. I didn't feel you needed to see both nails, obviously, because it's the same. So once I get the 2 coats and cure each layer for 30 seconds, then I'm going to show you exactly how to do isolated chrome properly. so you have no issues with it sticking to the polish below. So I'll just do that second coat now, and then we'll get into the products you need to do that isolated chrome nicely. So of course I'm going to grab the Daily Charme Anti-Chrome Matte Gel because this is what's going to stop anything from sticking to that white. So I do a thin layer over the whole nail. You want to make sure you get those edges too so the chrome doesn't stick to the edges. And then once I have it on both nails, I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds. And then today I'm actually not going to be drawing to do isolated chrome. I'm going to be showing you how to stamp with isolated chrome. It kind of works the same way. So once this cures, we'll grab my candy pink chrome because that was from the haul and I want to use it on this set. And I'm grabbing the stamping plate I'll be using. And if you want to know where I got the stamping plates from, just let me know in the comments of this video because I'm not going to put the links down below. So taking these little hearts, it almost looks like polka dots, but they're polka dot hearts. So stamping on the nail. And once I have it stamped, I'm grabbing the candy pink chrome and my brush, and I'm just going to put it over the black where it's stamped. And then I'm going to grab a sponge. This is kind of a hack too. The sponges work best to remove any of that chrome where you don't want it to be. And that one is done. It works so well as you saw. Now I'm grabbing another stamping plate for the next nail. It's a bunch of little hearts kind of scattered differently. And we're going to be putting that on the other white nail. Again, stamping it with the black. And once I have it stamped, I'm going to grab the candy pink chrome. And using that brush again. And you can see how well the candy pink chrome sticks to this nail, or to the black stamping polish, I should say. So we really like how this looks. So we're going to top coat, and I'm using a thicker top coat to cover up the nails. I'm just showing you the two nails that we stamped with isolated chrome. So you can see how well the chrome stuck to the stamps and not to the nail itself. So if you're looking for an amazing product so you don't have any issues with isolated chrome, even if you draw or anything like that, then check out that matte top coat from Daily Charme that's made just for isolated chrome. I thought I only showed you top coating the isolated chrome nails, but I do show you top coating the cat eye polish because it's so pretty. I just wanted you to see it better. So I'll do that quickly and then we'll see the finished nails. Again, those links for these products will be down in the description of the video. So you go down below the video and click the more, and they'll be down there under products in video, as well as my coupon code. So here are the finished nails. I love how this set turned out. The perfect Valentine's set. I hope the hacks were helpful in this video. I want to thank Daily Charm for sending me the nail art to share with you and the polishes. Beautiful, all of it. And if you like the video, could you give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see everybody in the next one.